Okay, I'm back. How's it going, folks? It's just nasty out there, as you can see. Getting real windy, getting real rainy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Climate crappy weather on its way. That's what my dashboard looks like. So anyway, my best friend's is going to be leaving the area soon. She's going to start moving tomorrow. Shannon got a job opportunity almost on the other end of the state, so we got to see each other for the last time for probably at least 6 weeks. So that was kind of an emotional night, but we had fun. But 5 weeks from now, probably 6 weeks from now, 5, 6, we'll see. I'll be happy. So anyway, car had all leather interior. It's a 6-seater instead of a 5, which is kind of nice. More ways than one. Work, we ain't doing squat. I only did 2 orders today. But then I got one order almost the end of the shift and I ended up staying a half hour, which was fine because my interview took 20 minutes and I had to clock out for it, so it made up for it. So I lost no money on the deal. So it works out. I'm happy for that. Wow, serious traffic backup. Otherwise, just busy doing errands, trying to get Mom's insurance straightened out so we can get her back on, because the state took it away because she said that she gets too much Social Security, if you can believe that mess. So I'm trying to work on that. Took a quiz yesterday, didn't even study for it, got an A on it, so that works. And I'm also holding almost a 3.4 average in my studies. Not bad for hardly ever cracking a book. When it starts getting white around here and starts snowing, oh God, I hate to hear it. I'll probably take some video around here so you can see what things look like snowbound. Probably go down to Peninsula too, just to see what it looks like. Especially once it gets iced over, but that's not going to be for a few months. It's interesting to see it. Anyway, when I got the car, I thought it was going to need all new rotors and brakes. No, only 2 front rotors. Back rotors were brand new. Pads on it were brand new in the back. Pads were new on the front, just needed rotors. So that rolled. And he said I had all new ball joints, tie rod end, sway bar, the whole deal. It's like everything was pretty much new. So whoever had it did a bunch of work on it before they gave it up. Which is cool with me. So I got me a good deal. I guess this is about where I'm going to say goodbye and upload this and let you guys give your comments, suggestions, blah, blah, blah. If I have time tonight, I'll try to look at some videos and try to catch up a little bit. See what happens. My ISP's been a little flaky too. I may have to call them tonight. I can go to a site, but it takes about 4 or 5 clicks to get there. Then once I'm there, I'm fine. So let's wait and see. Oh, I'm gonna call it a time. Later, folks.